Hi, everybody. So today I woke up with a few pimples on my face. Not sure where they came from, but they can go straight to hell as far as I know. That one right there, that one, yeah, that one hurts. It pisses me off. Really, it does. We can't have that. So I'm going to do a lime and baking soda mask. I've been doing this mask for years. It doesn't take a lot, just two ingredients, maybe about a half cup of baking soda and a squeeze of lime. Don't do like I do because you know science, that thing's going to bubble. Oh, yeah. So make sure you do it until it's smooth. When I say do it, I mean like stir it till it's smooth and just smooth it onto your skin. It's gonna feel so cool and refreshing on your face. Man, I love this mask so much. It will take the dark pigment from old acne scars and blemishes off of your face if you do this repeatedly. Maybe I don't want to say overdoing it, but maybe you could do it maybe once a week. I'm not sure. I'm not an esthetician, guys. But look, this is how it looks when it's hardened. It's very tight, feels very good. I let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you just want to rinse it off afterwards with cool water. So don't use warm water. Cool water is always best for your face, and just pat dry. And yes, that sucker is still on my forehead, but guess what? My face looks great. Looks good, guys. I hope you guys try this. Let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.